Hi, it's Alaska Granny. I recently got a new food dehydrator. It's by Magic Mill and it's really nice. I thought I would do the unboxing and show you how to set it up and prepare it for its first use. First of all, it comes in a very sturdy package, which is nice. I've had some very poorly packaged things that I've shopped for lately, so I was glad to see the Magic Mill comes in a sturdy box. Then when you see on the side, it even tells you what's included. 2 fine foods meshes, 2 fruit roll trays, and 2 silicone mitts. Now you open the first box and you can see they even put some little hard plastic strips on the corners on the inside to further protect it. Nicely done, Magic Mill. Now you pop out another heavy-duty cardboard box and it is packaged very nicely. You can see right on the front how pretty it is. It's all stainless steel display across the top with all of the controls. It has a glass door that shuts completely, which is different from other food dehydrators that I've had before. The side of the box gives you the specifications of what's included: 7 drying stainless steel shelves, 2 fine food meshes, 2 fruit roll-up trays that can be used as drip trays, and you can put them like completely in the bottom. It has clear view door, which allows easy monitoring, and then it has 3 modes: fast mode for 167 degrees, raw mode for 113 degrees, keep warm mode for 95 degrees. And the temperatures then can be set anywhere between 95 and 167 degrees. It has 360 degree airflow circulation. And it tells you also you can make everything you want: nuts, yogurt, muffins, fruits, jerky, pet treats, crackers, granola, meat, herbs, potpourri, desserts, trail mixes, vegetables, poultry, rising doughs, and dried flours. It's a very versatile food dehydrator. Open the box to the Magic Mill and you can see there are the directions, there's the warranty, and the mats and the trays. Now look at that. It's still even wrapped up with styrofoam to help protect it even better. I had to flip it over to get it out of the box, and there are the steel trays all wrapped nicely on the bottom. And you can see the whole dehydrator itself is additionally wrapped in plastic wrap. So yes, this is very well wrapped, very well packaged. There shouldn't be any problems with the quality of the Magic Mill. There it is, isn't it pretty? The door opens all the way. There are the 2 oven mitts. Even those are wrapped up nicely. Because the Magic Mill actually goes up to, say, 167 degrees, sometimes it's going to be hot and it has metal racks, so that's nice that they included these so that you don't burn yourself. I also ordered some food dehydrator sheets that are 100% silicone, because I just like that kind of thing. I just wanted to try these out and see if they were going to be a good thing to have. The Magic Mill dehydrator is ready to go. It says, before using it the first time, wipe all the parts of the appliance, clean the 6 trays and the mesh stick-on sheet with a lightly moistened cloth. Use detergent as needed. Don't put the main engine into water or other liquids. And I'm assuming they mean the whole unit. After cleaning, the unit needs to be run for 30 minutes without placing any food for drying during that period. Any smoke or smells produced during this procedure are normal. Please ensure sufficient ventilation. After the running in period, rinse the racks in water and dry all parts. This is only necessary for the first time. You can see the metal racks are very sturdy. They're very well made. The grids are about 1/2 inch. They easily slide in. There's a little lip on the top and you can see where they've been welded or put together onto the bottom, and so put the food onto the top with a little bit of a lip to hold it on. And then they're bigger one direction than the other. They easily slide in. There's nice little brackets for them to go on, so they're not going to get caught up while you're trying to slide them in and out, and they're going to be held sturdily inside the Magic Mill dehydrator. These aren't exactly the same size as the sheets, as the racks, and you could probably put them either way depending on what you want to use. There's only 2 of those. Then the fruit leather tray, it actually is a tray. There's 2 of them, and there is a lip all the way around. They're completely sturdy. So if you wanted to use a liquid, it's not going to overflow the sides, and then you can store those in the very bottom so that it's like a drip tray, and then anything that drips down or spills, you can easily pull that out and then clean it up so nothing is getting dirty all over the bottom of your dehydrator. The door is really nice. You can see it has some sturdy magnets, and so it really seals it up nicely. We're ready to plug it in and set it to go. So it has a start-stop. Power it up, and you can see it starts at either fast or raw with the temperature, or you can have it at the keep warm, and then you can toggle it up and down with the time and the temperature. So I've set it on fast so that it's the hottest, 167 degrees. I put it for the half an hour that it needs to go. It does get a little warm to the touch, so you need to be careful that you don't burn yourself. See how the fan blows? So there's a little heating unit and the big fan that circulates it all around so that it's getting the airflow all over all of your food all the way around. So the dehydrating sheets that I bought are a little bit larger, but I can just cut these so that they'll fit, and I have enough to put one on every single rack. I like these because they're very flexible, and if you have little things or sticky things, then you can just cover the rack with this, and then the food is easy to remove. I've got the Magic Mill food dehydrator all prepped and ready to go, and I'm ready to start dehydrating food for my prepper pantry. The Magic Mill food dehydrator is really nice looking on the counter. I thought it was a good value for how many features it has and how nice it looks. And so I'm really looking forward to using it, and I'll continue to share some videos with you of different foods that I dehydrate with my new Magic Mill food dehydrator. If you have any tips or tricks on how to use dehydrators that can help us all learn from each other, please share them in the comments below. If you enjoyed my video, I hope you'll share it with someone else you think might like it. Please subscribe to the Alaska Granny channel.